Now I am going to teach about working of the eye. So from this topic we are going to learn how does the human eye is working. Okay. So this is one of the object. This is pencil. This is one of the object. How we can see with the help of our eyes, we can able to see the object. Okay. So when the light is falls on the object, when the light is falls on the object, the refracted light rays is reached to cornea because of this is a main refracting surface. Okay, so cornea is a main refracting surface, so it is received refracted light rays from the object and it will send the refracted light rays to the eye lens through the pupil. Okay, so what is pupil? It is center part of iris. So center part of iris is known as pupil. So cornea is sent refracted light rays to the eye lens through the pupil. The next one, what is the nature of eye lens? Yes, the nature of eye lens is convex lens. Because of the convex lens, the middle part is thicker than the edges. So eye lens nature is convex lens. So when the eye lens is received refracted light rays from the cornea, the refracted light rays are converged from the object. What is meant by converged? Converged means all the refracted light rays are meet at same point or any one point. All the light rays are meet at any one point, that is converged. So eye lens is received refracted light rays from the cornea. The light rays are converged. Okay, the next one, if the light rays are converged, we can get real and inverted image. If the light rays are converged, the retina gets real and inverted image. Real means same object. Okay, real means same. Then what is inverted? See here, this is the pencil and noted the top to bottom. If the position will be changed, that is inverted. So retina received real and inverted image from the eye lens. The next one, retina will be sent the real and inverted image to the brain. Retina received real and inverted image from the eye lens. Again, the retina also will send the real and inverted image to the brain. So brain is received real and inverted image and brain passes the real and inverted image through the optical nerves. Then optical nerves only sends it as erect image. What is erect image? This is image. The image nature is same that of object. That is original image. Okay, original object, that is erect image. So we can able to see the object. This is the process of human eye. Okay, again you listen ma. Working of the eye. First, when the light is falls on the object, the cornea will receive the refracted light rays because of it is the main refracting surface. Okay, the next one, the cornea will send the refracted light rays to the eye lens through the pupil. What is pupil? The answer is, the pupil is center part of iris. Okay, so center part of the iris is known as pupil. The next one, what is the nature of eye lens? The nature of eye lens is convex lens. So the eye lens is received refracted light rays from the cornea. The light rays are converged from the object. Converged means all the refracted light rays meet at any one point, that is converged. The next one, the light eye lens sent converged light to the retina. The retina will receive real and inverted image. Real means same, inverted means the position will be changed, that is inverted. The next one, retina will be send the real and inverted image to brain. So brain only received real and inverted image. The brain passes the image to optical nerves. The optical nerves sends it as erect image. Erect image means the image is same that of object. That is erect image. So optical nerves give the signal to the human eye, so we can able to see the object.